Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been curious about tracking a company's earnings reports right inside TradingView, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to see a company's earnings, like Tesla's, on a TradingView chart. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to surface and interpret earnings events for any stock you're following, which can really level up your chart analysis and give you that extra edge as you plan your trades or investments. Let's get right into it. So first up, we need to make sure we're looking at the right chart. In this example, I've pulled up Tesla, but you can use any stock you want. If you're new to TradingView, you can easily search for a symbol or company name in the search bar at the top of the screen, and then just click to bring up that chart. Now, once you're on your chosen chart, here we're looking at Tesla. Here what you'll do, take your mouse and right-click anywhere inside the chart window. Some folks might think you need to click on a specific candle or spot, but honestly, anywhere in the visible chart area works just fine. This will open up a context menu with lots of useful tools and options. Right-clicking is one of those TradingView shortcuts that unlocks a ton of features, so it's good to get comfortable with it. After you right-click, look for the Settings option and give it a click. This opens up the Chart Settings window, which is kind of like the control panel for how your charts display information. You'll see tabs running down the side here. We're going to focus on the tab called Events. Sometimes it's easy to miss, but just take your time and remember, you won't mess anything up by just clicking around in your settings. Once you're inside the Events tab, you'll see several checkboxes. The one we're concerned with today is Earnings. Before you check this, think of it as flipping on a light switch. Once you tick that box, you're telling TradingView to highlight any upcoming or previous earnings announcements for the company on your chart. This is super helpful because earnings reports can cause big price moves, and you definitely don't want to be surprised by a major event. Now go ahead and check the earnings box, then hit OK at the bottom of the settings window to apply your changes. Don't worry if it takes a moment for everything to update. Sometimes TradingView can be a little slow, especially if you have lots of indicators running. Once you close the settings window, direct your attention to the bottom of your chart. You should now see a tiny green icon, kind of like a little calendar or megaphone showing up along the timeline. That's TradingView's way of telling you there's an earnings event at that specific date. Go ahead and click on that green icon. A pop-up will appear with all the details about the earnings report. Things like the earnings per share, revenue, and whether the company beat or missed expectations. And that's it. You've just enabled and accessed earnings information directly on your TradingView chart. This small tweak makes it so much easier to spot patterns around earnings season or simply stay aware of when big moves might happen. Even if you're just learning, don't worry if you don't catch every detail right away. As you use this feature more, it'll start to feel second nature. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions or other TradingView tricks you'd like to learn, drop a comment below. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy trading.